Hello, thank you for joining me today. I am going to be trying out, this is Toppik, I think that's how you say it, Hair Building Fibers, and it is supposed to help give your hair fullness if you're having any thinning spots or anything. So I've never used it before, but I'm testing it out today. So let's get into it and see how it goes. I was going to do this after I did my full face of makeup, but then I thought, since I've never done anything like this, what if it gets, on my forehead and then I have to redo my makeup? So, and then I figured, well, if it looks great, I wish I would have done it before filming my look. So I figured let's start with just fresh face. So I haven't tried anything like this before. I haven't opened it or anything. And I will have these with the prices linked down below. So you don't have to get both, but this is the Hair Perfecting Duo. It says, so this is a must-have tool for your most natural looking Toppik hair building fiber application. You'll see instantly fuller hair. The patented spray applicator allows you to apply Toppik fibers with great precision for buildable coverage and perfect placement every time. The hairline optimizer is uniquely designed with irregular teeth to help fibers disperse slightly uneven for the most natural looking results. And so my hair is still pretty full, so I didn't really get it for that. But I was watching Let's See Fritzy, and she was talking about how, just like kind of right here, the hairline goes back, and then just, where you can kind of see, and it just gives a fuller appearance at the kind of around here if you can fill in that. And I was reading further, kind of an interesting tidbit, because my hair is so thick everywhere, but yeah, right here, it's thinning on both sides. And I read that from some reason, from wearing your hair in a ponytail and wearing it back all the time, I guess it can thin it right there. We have some noise in there. This is the comb. And then this is the fibers. And there is different colors, of course. This is Auburn. Full hair instantly. Okay, so what does it say to do? So you twist off and pull, twist and pull the sifter off. Okay, so there we go. Just pull that off. And the stuff's in there. And then you screw this on. Okay. Then screw applicator onto bottom. Press pump to dispense fibers. Okay, so for men and women, I'm kind of nervous. I've never done anything like this. I don't even dye my hair. I've got highlights once years ago, very, very minimal. Okay, so press pump. Oh, okay. So that's how it works. I just got fibers everywhere. So like kind of right here is where I'm looking at. Oh, okay. I might have got, my hair I thought was Auburn, but it might be a little too red. But can you see it? You just kind of spray it on there. And you can see the difference. So maybe this might be too red. Let's see. See what it does. Oh, okay, so it is kind of messy. Maybe I was pumping too much. Let's see, so right here you can see I have some gray starting. So let me just see what happens. Okay, so it's not gonna cover your gray. Okay, I'm just gonna see what happens when I put it right here where my scalp is. So yeah, if you have any thinning, that's what it's made for. It just is kind of messy, but you can see like it does cover that area. So I probably, if I really wanted it to look great, I probably would have need a cross between the Auburn and the light brown maybe. See right there, it's still, oh, whoa, I just got way too much. see. Try this side, so right here. Let me see, right here. See there, it kind of helped. If you, yeah, just if you have any thinning anywhere. So I feel like if this was the perfect color, that would look really nice, because then you can't see the scalp anymore. And I don't know, this is just a little bit of a mess over here, but I feel like that is good. So when I pull it back, like you don't just see that, my scalp right there. Let's try it like right here. You see, I feel like the comb is kind of a weird, it definitely gets all over. Of course, over here, it was like kind of in the middle of my hairline, and over here, yeah, it just kind of boop. I don't like that. So let me try it without the brush. So let me know if you have used this, if you have any tips. I wanted just to purely, oh, here's a mess. I wanted to just see what it's like, not looking up any reviews, and Glitzy Frisky just talked about it. I didn't see a video where she actually did it. Let's just say, I mean, that's, I guess that's a little thinning right there. Let's see right there what would happen. See it like that. If that was the perfect shade, I feel like that would really look good and really help. My first impression is it is great for, like I said, if you have kind of thinning spots. But for along the hairline with this brush, I just don't really see where, even if it was the right color, that this would be good. Let's see if you just use the sifter, if you didn't purchase this. I used quite a bit, but there's still a lot in there. This is just the sifter. And let's see, let me just separate to get some of my scalp showing here. So if you didn't have, okay, so if you want to put it specifically on an area, I definitely think that this is easier to do, because then you can just get right there and do it, where this kind of gets all of more on your hair as well. I put on makeup and kind of styled my hair, and I feel like it does look a little better after I styled it. I still have kind of the thinning there, but it's not too bad. I feel like it definitely, I'm going to need to play around with it more to make it kind of not look so fakey here, and maybe play around with that comb, because it just kind of looked fake, I felt like, when I used it, and that's supposed to be the purpose of the comb. There's definitely some learning with this, that I would practice with it before you're going to go anywhere, to make sure that you like how it works. And it just, yeah, it definitely seems like with practice, I would get this, because it definitely made it easier. Just, again, practice, do it before you're going out. I would not put on makeup before you're doing it, because it can get all over, and don't have like white clothes on or anything. And for the hairline, the jury, I feel like, is still out for that. I definitely think I need more practice with the comb, because I feel like it just made it look fake. And maybe I got too auburn of a color for myself. But yeah, as you saw in the video I liked over here, I would love to know if you ever have tried it, what you think, or if you've tried a similar product. If you have any tips or tricks, let me know down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh geez, look at this. I feel like there is definitely, oh, I got a hair here. If I would